Some animals don't just live in nature, they actually help protect the entire ecosystem. Number 5. Earthworm. By digging through soil, earthworms improve soil health and help plants grow stronger. Number 4. Honeybee. Bees pollinate flowers and crops, helping plants reproduce and supporting global food production. Number 3. Sea otter. Sea otters control sea urchin populations, protecting underwater kelp forests. Number 2. Elephant. By knocking down trees and spreading seeds, elephants help shape and maintain entire ecosystems. Number 1. Wolf. Wolves control herbivore populations, keeping forests and rivers healthier. Protecting animals means protecting nature itself.